Back to Mochaeatstv. I am bringing you a video on how I cook my Thanksgiving turkey. As you see here, this is a roaster oven for a turkey, 22 pounds in size, and it does a lot of different things. I picked this up from my local Walmart, and this is the best investment that I could have ever made because I cook a lot of things in the oven and just to have that extra oven space. So stay tuned. This is the turkey that I am using. This is a Butterball Premium All Natural. I paid 98 cents a pound at Walmart. So take a look at that label that says hen. So for whatever reason, they have these marked hen, but it is a turkey, and that's the price I paid. Turkey raised without hormones and steroids. Thought that this was a nice feature to show you. They have easier open bags. You just put your fingers in the holes and you're supposed to be able to pull it apart, but I'm gonna have to cut it. Here we go. There we go. You just pull it apart. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned and washed. I just take a very sharp knife and just go across the skin like so to remove any excess feathers or just anything. When you're cleaning a turkey, don't forget the inners. This is found up by the neck. Since the turkey is already cleaned, washed, do you keep your turkey whole or do you cut it up? You use a turkey bag, family? I do. This is the best thing that you could ever use for moist, juicy meats like your turkey. Yes, I spray the inside. Turkey marinated for about 2 hours. I'm going to add some chicken broth to the bag and get it in the roasting pan. Make sure you cut some slits in the top of your bag so it will have time to breathe. Sorry, I forgot to show you. Trinity mix was added to the turkey, along with some fresh herbs, some sage, and rosemary. Bake 350 for about an hour, and I'll check it and go from there. I'll check it every hour. So if you like this content, this is the end of my turkey video. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you'll never miss another one of my videos. And with that being said, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I love you guys and thank you for rocking with me. Have a blessed and wonderful day with your family. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.